All right, so today it's a little business self-grow class and customers. Customer scare. I saw this couple articles on Massage Magazine about first-time customer. You always kind of hunting the new customers, and you forgot about your old customers, and you give the promotion to the new customer, like $30 off, $40 off. So the older customers is not happy about it. So I'm gonna tell you what you doing completely wrong. Who's doing that approach? Mix them all together. Today I'm gonna teach you how to filter it and spread those customers and what kind of customers you do have. So just imagine you are the guy who's looking for the gold, those miner, whatever that chaser, golden tide chaser. You go to Denver, I don't know, to the river. What do? You get that sand in the river and you start filtering, right? You want to find that golden nugget inside that sand. Same with the customers. It's whatever your approach is to find those customers, advertising or some events. So what do? Let's say it's so many things coming, like a sand. And it's a big nugget up there, who's like can be your potential clients. So and you filter it, and when I filter it, I do like a three section of the filtering, whatever that. And as you know, I put those smaller hole for one customer. Like I'm try to get this kind of easy to explain. But here we go. So your customers coming, phone calls, whatever. And the first-time customers, yes, I create that first-time customer, filter it, and it's go in one spot. And you give them some offer because you want to get these people inside your facility or inside your practice. And what do? Of course, you offer them specials, right? So whatever, $30 off or $20 off, and they come right in here. And this is like small, those pieces, but you want to transfer them to bigger. And the second one from here, it's a regular customers, right? So regular customers, it's like I put them a little bit bigger. I think come maybe every other month, maybe 3 months, maybe 4 months. And what I'm do all the time, these customers never cross each other. When I get information from my new customers, when I get information from this pile of whatever sand or cold leads, they call them cold leads, I'm giving them offer to get service from me. And when they they're gonna go to the next platform, which is I use CRM. They never cross each other. So this guy is also special. I'm not sending them first-time customer $30 off. Because if they're gonna see it, they're gonna say, "Oh, why I don't get $30 off? Why I only get first customers?" And I get this idea from this guy, so people is not gonna be happy about it. But like I said, it's a separate. They all separate. They're all hashtags, and they get special too. Don't worry, they all get specials. They all get specials till they get subscribers or membership, because the membership, it's a better deal. They become bigger. I put them as a red color. They become bigger customers. They support me. They pay me some little fee. Let's say, I don't know, my membership is $17. And I only take care of those $17 customers. Because I can do only like 60, 70 people per month. And if I got 70 members, do I worry about other people? No, probably no. So my idea is from cold, get to the first-time customer, to the regular, and go to the subscribers. And I spend more time on subscriber. I'm all about those customers. And if someone call me, and if I already fill it up, I'm not gonna give you any discounts, any first-time customer offer. This is where I'm going with this. Only people who wants my service, people who respect my job. If you're a business, of course, you do this circulation constantly because it's people come and go. Same as the therapist, same as the clients, come and go. That's why you separate them all. Subscribers, regular clients who don't want to subscribe for some reason, that's absolutely fine. And first-time customer, and that pile coming up, and this is how you filter those the clients here. So you filter it and you get that result. Also, when you get the regular and golden, you start using that referral program, which is really powerful. Referral, referral, referral. It's so much advertising up there. It's very expensive right now. People spend $1,000, but they ignore that. Very cool. It's referral. I call this triple R, rebook, reschedule, referral. That's the powerful tool. You need to learn about that referral. And who's give you a referral? Not the new customers, the old regular or your subscribers, because they like you, they like what you're doing, and they want to send more people to you. And this is really powerful. So next time we're going to talk about this referral program. I hope you understand that the whole precision, filter it, your clients, when you filter it, provide them different service. My subscribers get free class, free stretches, free exercise. I post it for them. I send them coupons. I send them some specials. They come to events. We do live streaming for them. And this is only for my people who stay with me, who love my service and who respect my service, and I respect them. And this is how I do. Regular, like I said, I work on his neck. She feel great, that's it. He's disappeared for 6-7 months, come back in 7-6 months, not doing anything, do my neck again. This is regular customers. Do I need it? I mean, if, like I said, if I'm struggle, if I need money, I will probably work and do some service on that. But the idea is get to this membership and this subscribers. All right, I hope this video is help you guys understand how you filter it, how you do the business and sell grow. Thanks for watching. Subscribe with our Patreon or your YouTube membership and learn more about massage. Grow your business, grow your practice. Bye-bye.